Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is Civil Disobedience Movement. It was passed during 1929 session of Congress at Lahore. It was presided by Jawaharlal Nehru. Also, Purna Swaraj resolution was passed in this session. Next, it was decided to celebrate Indian Independence Day in the entire nation on 26 January 1930 to show our commitment to the British. On 31st December 1929 at 12 am, Congress leaders welcomed the new year by hoisting the national flag for the first time on the banks of River Ravi. Also, a resolution to boycott Roundtable Conference was taken during this session. Before launching this movement, Gandhi put 11 demands before Irwin, popularly known as 11-point ultimatum. They are 50% reduction in land revenue, 50% cut in defense expenditure, total prohibition of liquor, protection to native industries, release of political prisoners, and abolition of salt laws. On 12th March 1930, Mahatma Gandhi started his famous walk from Sabarmati to Dandi village in Surat, known as Dandi March. Similar marches were taken throughout India. Some of them are Vedaranyam Satyagraha led by C. Rajagopalachari near Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu, Kelappan in Kerala coast, Machilipatnam in Andhra coast led by Konda Venkatappaya, and in Orissa by Sarojini Naidu. Next, when this movement is taking place, the roundtable conferences were going on in London. It was attended by every party except Congress party. This conference was led by Ramsay MacDonald. He postponed the conference because Congress was not there, and he put the entire responsibility on Irwin, who concluded an agreement with Gandhi known as Gandhi Irwin pact. Some of the Gandhi's demands accepted by Irwin are release of satyagrahis and dismissing all the cases on them, restoration of confiscated property of satyagrahis, and next, salt laws shall be scrapped, and many more. One of the criticism was the Bhagat Singh's execution date was announced, but it was not included in his demands. The demands of Irwin accepted by Gandhi are suspending the civil disobedience movement and attending second roundtable conference. Gandhi attended second roundtable conference and immediately boycotted it because a conflict between Ambedkar and Gandhi on issue of separate electorates for Dalits arose. So the second phase of civil disobedience movement started. All the satyagrahis were again put into the prison and Gandhi was put in Eravada jail in Pune. In August 1932, communal award was unanimously accepted by all the members in second roundtable conference declared by Ramsay MacDonald. Now let us see a question based on this. With reference to Indian freedom struggle, consider the following events. 1. Mutiny in Royal Indian Navy. 2. Quit India movement launched. And 3. Second roundtable conference. What is the correct chronological sequence of the above events? The Royal Indian Navy mutiny took place in 1946. Quit India movement was launched in 1942 and the second roundtable conference was in 1931. So the answer would be C, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.